Maayong adlaw mga higala. Good day, friends. This is your Maestra Judy. Welcome to Cebuano 101. I teach Conversational Bisaya Cebuano. Welcome to our short, useful everyday phrases series. In this lesson, I'm gonna teach you 3 ways how to say expensive and another 3 ways to say it's too expensive in Cebuano. Now let's start.
Expensive, mahal, mahal. It's expensive. Mahal man, mahal man. 2. Mahal ra, mahal ra. 3. Mahala, mahala. You can actually add oy here to emphasize the how expensive the item is. You can say mahala uy, mahala uy. Okay. Let's practice and repeat after me. Mahal man, mahal man. Mahal ra, mahal ra. Mahala, mahala. Let's add uy. Mahala uy, mahala uy. Okay, now let's go to it's very expensive. Mahal man kaayo, mahal man kaayo. 2. Mahal ra kaayo, mahal ra kaayo. Mahal ra jud kaayo. Let's practice. So I want you guys to repeat after me. Mahal man kaayo, mahal man kaayo. Okay, next. Mahal ra kaayo, mahal ra kaayo. Then the last one is mahal ra jud kaayo. Okay, those are the basically 6 ways to say it is expensive. Okay, so thank you so much for being a patron. Keep learning. Don't give up.
Daghang salamat. Amping kanunay. Bye.